Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and this right here is my first laptop ever. I got this a couple of years ago. It is a Dell Latitude laptop, and this laptop I use for absolutely everything. I had a job in which I had to use headsets and I had to communicate with people, and also I had to process orders, and this is the laptop that I use for that job. And also, I did a lot of schoolwork with this laptop, a lot of college work. I would do assignments on this laptop. I would write essays. I would work on Excel worksheets with this laptop. Basically, anything that you can imagine that you have to do in college, I was able to do with this laptop, which is the reason why I really love it. And there's some sentimental connection between me and this laptop because of how much it has helped me throughout my college journey and other aspects in life. And this laptop, something else that I love about it is that it's small and it's very lightweight. So it's always been really easy for me to carry this laptop around. And I've just been really, really happy to use it throughout all these years. And that is my point of view.